Good morning, I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on week 9 of Marguerite Miller's collage assignments. I thank you for being here and I appreciate your support. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And let's get right into it. We need a building or an architectural feature. And I found this little house from a magazine, which I thought had some cute architectural features. Piece of a magazine or a newspaper headline. I was thinking about using Stop Paying Fancy Prices, but I realized it's kind of big. I'll have to put it this way. And graph paper I do have, or lined paper, which could be this. Either way, I guess. But here's some graph paper too. Something you're hoarding, a playing card or part of one, and something red. Well, I have been hoarding these for a very long time, and I'm going to continue hoarding this one. But this is my playing card, something I've been hoarding, and something red. Little gumdrops. So, how these all go together, I have no idea. But I think the first thing I'm probably going to do is, I don't know if that's too big. I guess I could cut the words apart. Stop paying fancy prices for wax, but what if it was stop paying fancy prices for houses? That might work. And I don't need the graph paper if I keep my lined paper. This is also something red too. That was why I picked this. So, what if I put, I don't understand how these are fitting together, but what if I do this? There's no room. There's no room. Maybe I'll just use the word fancy. How about that? Fancy. Okay. So we have the house, we have that, we have fancy. What if I did put a little piece of, I don't know. I think I'm going to stick with my lined paper, and I think this is all I need. Is it? Isn't it? Let's see. The building, which is also a piece of a magazine. This is a piece of a magazine headline. The lined paper is the background, something I'm hoarding, playing card, and something red. So I do have everything here, and I think I'm just going to ink around everything and glue it down just as that, just like that. Okay, get some ink out here. I don't want super dark ink on these though. Okay. So some of you who know me may know that my husband just had prostate cancer. He's going for his blood test post-surgery today. So keep him in your thoughts and prayers, because we need those numbers to be down. If they're not down, then there's something going on. So it should be that they would be down after surgery, but the problem was that some of it had escaped slightly. So that's what we're slightly worried about. But anyways, keep us in your thoughts and prayers. And now I get just use this for my gluing paper. This is more graph paper. This one was actually the back of this from the last challenge that we did, or the last assignment. Actually, I think I'm going to do it this way. This one's going first. I honestly think this was the fastest and easiest challenge I've done in all of them from last year too. So let's get this on here. Isn't that adorable? I love this one. Baby in a bottle. Kind of weird. Okay, so we've got that. I think I need glue on this little tip here and here. Okay, and then we're going to put this down like this. So let's do that. I think I better use Fabri-Tac for this. It's kind of thick. I have quite a few of these cards left, especially the, you know, the square color square cards, but there's a peanut brittle too and a candy cane. Oops. So we'll put this like this. And I'm going to just kind of move this down and, oops, not too far down. And I think I'll just put this straight across like that. Fancy. This came out of a 1950 Women's Day magazine. Look at that face. That would be a good one for a portrait. So anyway, there we have it. Super simple and quick. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos and my Ko-fi page for your free vintage printables. Thanks again. Bye-bye.